Okay, so in this lab, we are going to check monitoring and troubleshooting through the Citrix ADC CLI. Okay, so let's log into Netscaler. See, HTTP management IP 10.103. Uh, oh, wrong IP connecting. Um, ADC management is an IP, right? This one. NS root. NS root. Just okay. Now let's see. We need to check audit logs. The command show audit messages. See, in these audit messages, it display most recent audit messages. Okay, so last 256 events we can see here. Okay, so server service group. Okay, so device up, default device monitors, also the informational. Okay, the state up and down you can see here. Okay, now if you want to see recent syslog files, so we need to go in a shell. You can see a directory var/log. Here you can check a list. Okay, you can just till it's working, right? Okay, no problem. Okay, so this is a list. So here in gas we can see maximum 26 files it generates, that nslog dot 0 to nslog 25. Okay, so the name like nslog ns.log. Okay, so ns.log 0 to ns.log 26, so 25, so almost 26 files you can see here. So if you want to see the current log, okay, go to more slash var/log ns.log. Here are the logs. It's a current syslog file where we can see. So command is more slash var/log .nslog. This is a file path. Okay, we are just open that file. So this is how file looks like, and the logs are ns version is say no other upgrade, no not possible. That is our so apply to license expires in 421 days. Here's all the logs, searching, CNCP users license, whatever. Logs, failing command, add authentication. So this command which failed to add. See, action does not exist. Some of the logs we can see here. So these are the most recent logs. Command is more more var/log.nslog. Okay, if you want to filter with something like uh, grep grip, okay, uh, I want to check for something particular service name is service raid. Okay, see for that particular service I can see what was the update for that in the monitoring. You can see in the monitor status service binding. These are the logs for that particular server, so we can just do a filter. Or if you want to see a particular error only, what error we are getting, so these are the errors. Set error codes, no response from P0 for command, NAS API error since 5. That's like something logs. Okay, now we want something like script to exclude events or messages. Okay, want to exclude, right? So events and messages. So how we can do that? So just, and we want to see cmd executed, executd executed v. Let's see. So this is the only command which we added here. Monitor service binding, the page up, okay, the top. That's it. Now we want to view events from current syslog file. Okay, so syslog file, how we can open that? Tail slash var slash log slash ns dot log. These are the is displaying last 10 entries of current syslog file. So this is last 10 entries. Okay, so command is tail slash var slash log slash ns dot log. Okay, so this is a very helpful while troubleshooting, so we can check the logs on that. Okay, and in that also we can use a filter with grep, like error. We don't have any right now, so we can see any IP like 192.168.30.12. See, we can see whether what is the status, what's going on. Okay, so okay, we want to display, okay, events as they occur by keeping the ns.log as an open file handle. We want to keep it open. So tail dash f slash var slash log dash ns dot log. Okay, now this log file is open. Okay, so it means it's like a Cisco debug. You don't say that debug, but it's a terminal monitor. Okay, so like now we have started, so we can just check if something. Okay, let's see. Login with duplicate session. Okay, let's log in ns root. See, I got the sir. So 1 into 168 10.254 login ns root status success. That's good. Now exit, and it is live logs. Okay, so we have just keep open. Okay, now we're on duplicate session. Now I'm just typing saga, that user is not available there, so it should fail, but we'll get a error there. Okay, see, now is a user saga remote administrator command line login user. Okay, status error, invalid username or password. Okay, so this is how we are getting logs in the live, right? Let's close it. Okay, so that, so command is tail minus f slash var slash log dot ns dot log. Okay, now we want to view events from archive syslog files. Okay, the old files, okay, which gets archived. Okay, so we want to see yesterday's logs or few days back's log. Okay, but that files are already archived. Okay, it's a ggzip. let's see let's see ls minus l ns dot log. So this is my ns.log file. Okay, but ns.log any, we can see there ns dot log 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, you see the list. There is currently out of this file nothing uh, is in zip file. Okay, so any file we can open. So more, so all the files are open right now, so we can just more slash var slash log slash ns dot log. Suppose I want to ns dot log 6 dot log dot 6. I can open it because currently those files are not gzip. Okay, to just open the gzip file we need to use command zcat. Let's see, uh, this show sh log 0 gz. Okay, this is zip file. Okay, if I try to open that file it will not open. ns, okay, sh dot log dot 0 dot gz. See, this is something uh, encrypted file or zip file. Okay, so that will not open. uh, we will list anything which we can open here. Authentication logs. Okay, let's see the authentication logs. We want to check that. Okay, you can see auth log search auth auth log dot 0 dot gz. See how it is showing that because it is gg gif file. Okay, so we was just want to unzip it first. Let's see, this is of log 0, it is showing gz. So we want to first unzip, so we can use zcat command. zcat zcat. Now we can see the logs in a proper format. Okay, so to see the whole logs we can just type more. We can see all the logs that generated login class, or the thing is showing related to the authentication. Okay, so you can see the list. Okay, so to open the gz file you just need a command zcat. Okay, so it's like unzip those files. Okay, now to view nslog already check, right? uh, Syslog, nslog, nslog. Okay, now view the current or archive nslog and identify. So archive. Okay, so we want to view the log file duration and identity. How we can check that? Let's see, nscan message g dash k slash var slash nslog slash new nslog the set time. See, it shows the time for that. This log is starting time from 5:30 5:19 to 5:33. Okay, want to see the event for that. These are the events for that console messages. Okay, so these are console messages. Okay, want to see the console messages minus the console message con msg con console msg. These are some throughput protocol console messages. That's how it works. Okay, and see. Okay, now we want to start an trace. Okay, an trace from, you can say, from my system to particular VIP. So what we'll do, we'll do a start. Oh, first to log out from the shell, exit. Okay, start and stress size. चपाती कर कर trace format pcap filter connection dot ip dot eq. Okay, ip dot eq. IP is 172.21.10.254 is my IP, and connection dot IP dot equal to 172.21.10.101. Okay, this is the remote end IP, virtual server IP. So we are starting NS size 0 trace format pcap filter says connection IP that 172.10.254 and connection IP equal to 172. Yes, let me correct it. 172.221.10.101. Okay, and link enable. Something is wrong. Start ns trace. Where is the point? Ns trace size 0. I think after a filter there should be a space. Okay, this is start now. Okay, so 172.21.10.101. What we'll do here, we just open a this and just type http 172.21.10.101 slash home.php. So this is the page. We just blue, red, green. Okay, yeah, just initiated traffic. Okay, let's stop ns trace. Okay, done. Now we want to check that Wireshark file. So for that, we need to open WinSCP. Okay, just log in the device ADC 001. Continue. Okay, so that file which you are looking for is available in var ns trace. Var ns trace, here it is, and we will move it to the desktop. Ns trace var slash are we on the right 192.168.10.103. 192.168.10.103. It's not showing anything. Show host name. We are on ADC 002, which is currently primary, so we need to connect on ADC 002. Okay, let's connect on close ADC 192.168.102. mm, ADC 02, yeah, it is. uh, okay, close. ADC 002 it's connecting. Continue. Okay, so our file is at var and a stress. So this is 23rd December, and this is the file which is available here. We want to move it to desktop, so we can open that Wireshark file. Okay, just move it here, Wireshark. Okay, it is here now. No problem. Let's see the what we captured in that. Uh-huh. It's showing nothing. Uh, Showing nothing in a capture. What the size of pickup file? 24 bytes. But still, there is no any detail. There is no filter. Okay. So something is wrong, right? We need to check. Okay. NS trace 0. Okay. Connection IP equal to 172.10.254. Let me check what is my IP address. CMD IP 172.21.10.254. Right, if I am connecting to 110.10.101, then my IP should be 172.21.10.254 only, right? That's okay. Connection IP equal to 172.10.101. That is also right. Link enable. IP equal to connection IP equal to 172.10.101. I have initiated traffic for 172.10.101 only. Okay, no problem. What we'll do here, let's see what's my actually, because there are 4 IPs available on my system. So let's see which IP is taking as a host name or as a source IP from uh, my system. Let's see. Only connection start and trace I0 trace format pcap minus filter connection and dot ip not equal to 171.10.101. Okay, start ns trace. So ns trace is now started. Let's access 172.21.10.101. Okay, now I want to stop the ns trace. Stop. Done. See, there is a new file is created now. Let's refresh. Okay, go to the NS trace 23 December. Seventy-two 21 10.101 is showing the same NS trace, delta T9, not getting a new file again. Let's see again. Var NS trace 23rd December. It is showing the same older file only. Okay, something. Oh, why not getting? Start and stress. Let's see, we are on a same host name. Show host name ADC002, and we are connected to ADC002 only. That's correct. Again, we will start the NS trace. 0 enable. We have started NS trace, and let's something trace file. Let's see home.php and this one. I want to stop NS trace. Stop NS trace. Okay. Now let's see on NS. In refresh we are not getting. Okay, let's disconnect it and connect again. NS002 login, continue. Still we have, it is not creating. NS, see now it is showing here. There is something issue. See, it's a lab. Sometimes works very slow. Now it is with updated time. Okay, to override. Yes, NS trace with the 1243 time. That's okay. Sometimes no lab works very strange. Let's open NS trace. We are opening the file. Okay, that's good. 171.10.101. Yeah, it was right. 171.10.254 only as IP. 171.10.101. That's right. No issue. Oh, what is that? 192.168.10.103. Okay, let's see. The communication is from my system 172.21.10.254 to the virtual IP, and from virtual IP it using as a NSIP that 192.168.10.103 as a source and connecting to the backend server. Okay, see the same request which you send for get icon slash icon slash HTTP, which same request is forwarded from as a source SNIP to the backend server. So this is how the communication works. Okay, let's see. Next, external syslog audit message.